I did not think that that was how much we actually grew. Me and my husband Walt have started an urban homestead in our backyard. We live in a rental. We don't live in a rural area. It's just us, our backyard, and our raised beds. And one thing I get asked a lot on Instagram is, how much did you grow this year? I had all intentions on weighing out things, but honestly that took so much more energy this year that needed to go to other stuff in the garden. But when I sit back and think of what groceries we did not buy, and I had enough to actually store stuff for like the winter time. Honestly, that's huge to me. Do you know how much a red bell pepper is? My God, it's like almost $1 for a red bell pepper. The coolest thing is that it felt so freeing being able to know that we had food in the backyard. The security of, okay, well, you know, we still have food. And that to me is just like everything. It's winning. If anyone were ever to say that urban homesteading is not worth it, they're lying. You can do it in a green stock. You can do it hydroponically inside. Because we started everything from seed this year, it's been a really beautiful journey, and watching like a tiny little seed turn into so much of a surplus. And even if you can't grow enough for you for the whole year, just the fact that you can grow maybe 2 tomatoes and some peppers and maybe some lettuce, and you can grow yourself a little salad. So my goal for 2024 is to not have to buy any fresh produce from the store at all. I know at the beginning I'm going to have to supplement those things just because I simply didn't grow them last year, but this year I want to be able to 100% do that, grow enough tomatoes for condiments, have the relishes. So as always, friends, if you have any questions or you are curious, anything like that, please let me know down below. And as always, friends, thank you so much for being here, and you are amazing. Bye.